The wedding at Cana is overflowing with joy, laughter, and music, but a shadow falls as the wine runs dry. Mary's face is etched with concern as she approaches Jesus. Jesus commands, "Fill those stone jars with water." He instructs, "Now, draw some out and take it to the master of the banquet." The master tastes the water, his eyes widening in astonishment as it transforms into excellent wine. The guests rejoice, unaware of the miracle. In the bustling streets of Jerusalem, a blind man sits with his hand outstretched, pleading for mercy, while indifferent passers-by hurry by. Jesus approaches, his disciples whispering, their gazes fixed on the beggar. "Rabbi, who sinned, this man or his parents, that he was born blind?" Jesus responds, his voice resonating with divine purpose. "Neither this man nor his parents sinned, but this happened so that the works of God might be displayed in him." With gentle authority, Jesus commands, "Go, wash in the pool of Siloam." The man shuffles towards the pool, washes his face, and cries out in amazement, I can see! Praise be to God!" A vast crowd gathers, their faces reflecting hunger and eager anticipation as they listen to Jesus. Andrew approaches Jesus, his face etched with concern. "There is a boy here with 5 small barley loaves and 2 small fish, but what are they among so many?" Jesus calmly instructs, "Have the people sit down." Jesus lifts his gaze to the heavens, offering a prayer of thanks, then breaks the loaves and fish. The disciples distribute the food, and a miracle unfolds. The loaves and fish multiply endlessly, filling the multitude with joy and amazement. Martha and Mary stand in sorrow, their hearts heavy with the grief of Lazarus' passing. Jesus arrives, stepping into their sorrow, his presence a beacon of hope amidst despair. Martha cries out, "If you had been here, my brother would not have died." With unwavering faith, Jesus proclaims, "Your brother will rise again." Before the sealed tomb, Jesus commands with divine power, "Lazarus, come forth."